Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the exact Google account that owns the profile. If not, switch accounts now. Once signed in, open the Business Profile Manager or search your business name and click the profile card. Make sure you're an owner managers can't delete. If you see verification or ownership prompts, follow them to verify control. This prevents accidental deletion and ensures Google will process your request for the correct business entity. Once you've opened the business in the Profile Manager, go to Info or Settings and look for the option to remove, close, or delete the listing. Choose Delete Business or Permanently Close depending on whether you want removal or closure. You'll be asked to confirm the business name and ownership and sometimes select a reason. Provide accurate details so Google can process it without delay. Make sure to read warnings about data and reviewer content before confirming, because deletion impacts visibility. After you confirm deletion, watch for an email confirmation and expect changes to take a few days to propagate. Sometimes cached search results remain briefly. If the profile isn't removed or you can't delete, recheck owner roles and any account holds or pending verifications that block deletion. If necessary, transfer ownership to another verified owner or contact Google support for account-level issues. One troubleshooting tip: if deletion is blocked, export any data you need, and then transfer ownership before attempting deletion again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.